When a small SUV makes you do a double take because you thought it was a more expensive SUV, then that manufacturer has something special. Kia with the new Sportage has something special. The Kia Sportage is back, redesigned and ready to regain the lost sales during its one-year absence. Kia made the most of that year, and the new Sportage looks terrific, like a more expensive model. The Sportage is solid, inside with optional leather comfortable seats, well-placed controls, and a roomy back seat, and outside with solid sounding doors, impressive styling, and a longer body. The Sportage is available in front wheel or four-wheel drive. There's a standard 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 140 horsepower and 5-speed manual transmission, or the optional 2.7-liter V6, rated at 173 horsepower, mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission. Seating is very comfortable with plenty of back seat leg room. The back seats fold flat with just a flip of the finger on the control latch. 4-wheel drive is optional, and I wouldn't recommend trying any serious off-roading. It's more suitable for snow or wet roadways. Safety features are enormous, with the usual airbags, anti-lock brakes with brake force distribution, traction control with anti-skid system, and head curtain airbags for both rows of seats. A very impressive list of standard equipment for a modestly priced SUV, don't you think? The Sportage's new impressive design will get customers in the showroom for that all-important test drive. The features and the price will lock in the sale.